Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Mish Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, topic a hain, Rannóg a seacht, Comhráite. Level A1, topic 1, section 7, conversations with a focus on bheithigh éisteacht, focusing on listening. Le múna na Gaeltachtaí agus ag búla le duine, teaching about the Gaeltachta areas and meeting people. Below, handout. Comhráite. For this next activity, you'll need the handout labeled Comhráite, Conversations. Comhráite, Conversations. You're going to hear 4 different conversations on the sound file. Éist leis na comhráite an mír agus lín na barnaí. Listen to the conversations on the sound file and fill in the blanks. Each chorá will be played twice.
Comhráite. Comhrá a hain.
Hi,
Hello.
ceach bhfuil tú?
Go breagur maigad.
Comhrá dó.
Díaghaid.
Tíos mar agait.
Chun sa tá tú.
Go mágur maithagat.
Comhráite. Comhrá a hain.
Hi,
Hello.
ceach bhfuil tú?
Go breagur maigad.
Comhrá dó.
Díaghaid.
Tíos mar agait.
Chun sa tá tú.
Go mágur maithagat.
Comhrá a trí.
Cad is ainm did?
Jerry, cad is anam ditse?
Mr. Bernard.
Comhrá a ceathair.
A bhríd, seo Padraig, agus a Padraig, seo bríd.
Tá sé go deas búla leat.
Comhrá a trí.
Cad is ainm did?
Jerry, cad is anam ditse?
Mr. Bernard.
Comhrá a ceathair.
A bhríd, seo Padraig, agus a Padraig, seo bríd.
Tá sé go deas búla leat.
Comhráite. Fragri. Answers. Comhrá a hain. Hi. Hello. Cén chuí a bhfuil tú? Go brá gur maithagat. Comhrá a dó. Díaghaid. Díos smurgat. Conas atá tú? Go maith gur maithagat. So please check your answers, check your spelling, make sure you have any fadas that need to be there, make sure you've got them. And if you want to correct with a colored pencil so that it gives you a visual reminder, so that you don't make those same mistakes the next time. That's always a good thing. We'll read through this conversation one more time. Hi, hello. Comhráite bhfuil tú? Go bra gur raibh maith agat. Chomhrá adó. Buíochas? Díos murgat. Conas atá tú? Go maith gur raibh maith agat. Comhráite continued. Comhrá a trí. Cad is anam dit? Jerry. Cad is anam ditse? Is Misha Bernard. Comhrá a chathair. A bhríd, se é pádraig, agus a fádraig, se I bríd. Tá si go gas Bualadh. Again, make sure you've got your fathers. And let's read through those two chorás one more time. Comhrá a 3. Cad is anam dit? Jerry. Cad is anam ditse? Is Misha Bernard. Comhrá a chathair. A bhríd, se é pádraig, agus a fádraig, se bríd. Tá si go deas Bualadh. Comhráite Canúntaí. For this next activity, you'll need the handout labeled Comhráite Canúntaí, Conversations and Dialects. Comhráite Canúntaí. Conversations and Dialects. So you might want to refer to your map on Leathanach Sé, page 6, for the following exercise. So looking at your handouts, Fragar na ceistena seo alanas. Answer the following questions. Bhí a gobar leis an duine atá in accolade. Be working with the person beside you. So obviously if you've got a partner, work with your partner. If you don't have a partner, you will be well able to do this by yourself. So Iver Hain, number 1. Tá na ceistena seo alanas na comhráite a chúla tú níos lua. The following questions are in the conversations you've heard earlier. Lei na ceistena agus aber cén canúnt in lenam winan siad. Read the questions and say what dialects or what canúnts they are associated with. Go ahead and fill in your answers. If you need to refer back to your notes, that's totally fine. Iveradó, number 2. An bhfuil éon leagan eile agat den cheist sin. Do you have any other version or format for that question? Cén canúnt lenam winan sé. Which dialect is it associated with? So the other form that we learned for that question and which canúnt it's associated with. An Iver 3. Anam na ceantar Gaeltachta ina úsáid na canúntaí a luaidh tú faoi cheist the dó agus the 3 hús. So list the Gaeltacht areas that use the dialects that you mentioned in the questions above. And then on the other side, ceantar Gaeltachta, the canúnt and the ceantar Gaeltachta. So which canúnt is associated with which Gaeltacht area? So pause the video for a moment so that you can fill those in, and on the next slide we will correct the questions. Na freagraí. So na ceistena, cén chuaigh bhfuil tú is associated with canúnt Connacht. Conas atá tú is associated with canúnt na mún. An bhfuil éon leagan eile den ceist sin, cén canúnt lenam winan sé. So in ceist is cajé mar atá tú, and that is associated with canúnt Ulla, the Ulster dialect. Anam na ceantar Gaeltachta ina úsáid na canúntaí a luaidh tú faoi cheist the dó agus the 3 hús. So name the Gaeltacht areas that use the canúnts or the dialects that we mentioned above. So canúnt Connacht, canúnt Ulla, and canúnt na mún, and the ceantar Gaeltacht, the Gaeltacht areas are listed on the next slide because they wouldn't fit on this one. So we have the ceantar Gaeltachta, Ulla, from your map from the previous exercise. Glan Ceollam Kill, Guidor, Béal Ferrishta, Connacht, we've got Caharú Thai, on Cararua, Gaeilge and Spidale, na Hillan Oran, and Cuigamuin in Munster. We have Kirkagleena, Dúnchlín, and Daoine, Irchacurkey, Muscree, Ballyvourney, Coolay, Bualadh agus an Rin. Comhráite. So to wrap up this section, Lamuna, na Gaeltachtaí agus ag bhualadh le daoine, the Gaeltacht areas and meeting people, we have learned the different ways that they greet people in the different canúns and the different areas that are associated with those different dialects. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.